In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your Brother MFC-L2710DW. This printer has two different scanners that can be used to make a copy. It has a regular scanner, flatbed scanner, and also an automatic document feeder if you have multiple pages. I'll show you how both of these are working and how you can make a copy in just a few seconds. So let's get started. So let's start by using this flatbed scanner. To use it, it's very easy. Take your paper, put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. You see, like that. Then you need to align this corner over here with the corner of the scanner. So simply glide it until both are touching. Then you can close the lid. Next step, let's go on the control panel. So once you're here, you're going to press once on the copy button. You can select how many copies you like by typing the number here. So if I want 2, I can press 2 and you see 02 will be selected. You also have multiple options on how to customize your copy by pressing this option button on the left side. You'll be able to enlarge or reduce the size of the copy. If you click again, or you can change the density. And if you want to change any of these settings, you can click the OK button and then you'll be able to change these settings like this. To go back, press the back button, and by clicking the options you see, you'll be able to select two-sided if you want to print on both sides of the paper, the quality, contrast, and other stuff. Okay, you can go through these, press OK, and change the settings. Once you're ready to print, press the clear button here just to go on the home screen. Again, we have selected the number of copies we want. And now, after you extend this small flap over here, you're going to go here and press the start button, the green button. Your page will be scanned and the print will begin in about 5 seconds. Here we go. We have our 2 copies of our document. So for the top document feeder, take your pages. Here I only have 2, but you can put even 20 of them. Align them, and you're going to put them facing up with the top part of your document towards the left. Simply glide them in. You're going to hear a beep telling you that it has recognized. You have input some paper over here. And then it's absolutely the same thing. You're going to go on the screen, select the number of copies you want. You can press the option button to change all the settings. And when you're ready, press the start button. And every page will be taken one by one. And they will come over here. This printer is really quick to do copies. This is why I recommend it for business usage especially. You see, in under 13 seconds I was able to scan those pages and actually get copies. So this is it. This is how you use this Brother MFC-L2710DW to copy documents. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.